Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to use phone camera instead of professional camera in OBS Studio. Open OBS. Then in the Sources section, click Add. Now here we use Video Capture Device for professional camera. For this we rename the title and select a USB port or any intersection for the video to capture. Now, but instead of professional cam, we will use phone cam. For this, first I am deleting the video capture device and then click Browser option and rename it as you wish. I will rename as Video Capture Device 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is my first video of this channel. I need all your support to rise this channel and create new videos. If any doubt, post in the comment section below. Here now, type how much size you want on the program screen, then select the resolution what you need. I am typing 1080 and 1280. You can type what you need on your program screen. Now, for the URL, go to your Google browser. Search video.ninja. Now, here, click Create Reusable Invite. Then select Unlock the video bitrate, 20 megabits per second. Enable stereo and Pro HD audio. Allow video effects to be used. The last option is optional. Now, click Generate Invite link. Here, in your smartphone, go to Google browser. Search video.ninja. Then click Add your camera to OBS. Now, scan the code, what you got on your screen, and then go to OBS Studio in your desktop then. Boom. What did you find? Is this video useful? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.